Nigerian Genius.
My name is Oyewole OLayinka, a student of Yaba College of Technology. Today we learned quite a lot of things, starting from design for manufacturing. We learned what design for manufacturing is all about. Then we were being taught 3D design. We were being walked through how to actually 3D design the product. We were taught the applications of 3D design, and we also went into 3D printing, the various applications of 3D printing, what you can actually do with 3D printing, and we learned quite a lot of things. It was an exciting experience. I've acquired a foundation with which I can, of course, build on. So I would like to say thank you to the sponsors, the organizers of this program. It is really interesting. Thank you very much.
The Nigerian Genius.